What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about, of course, is DJT. What is going on? Well, spoiler alert, we're seeing aggressive short selling, and this is what we want. Stick around. I'm going to tell you what I expect to play out from this price action here today. Also, we're going to talk about RUG. This thing is on fire, ladies and gentlemen, and if you were a part of our Discord server, then you too did catch the alert in real time. I alerted this thing for the entry price of $2.95, with that price target being $3.30 plus. I alerted this pretty early off in today's pre-market trading. I woke everybody up with this.
Let's get ready to make some money.
And shortly after giving you guys that alert, and that thing never gets old, but as you all know, we do got a new price target, $35 plus on this thing after reaching and breaching our $32 price target. And this thing is showing more signs and symbols that this thing has more room to run. So again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you get over to the Discord. The sign up link will be in the description below. You are missing out on banger after banger, just like our UPC alert. Okay, we alerted this yesterday as well. Let's check that out. And if you're still here with me, can you please drop in the comment section below the words "still here with you, Obi"? As you guys can see here, I alerted UPC back on the 11th for the entry price of 29 cents, with that price target being 33 cents plus. And we take a brief look and check out UPC here really quickly. As you guys can see here, UPC is also up on the day and reached and breached price targets. As you guys can see here, it's seen a high of 44 cents, and this is what you call home run plays, and we have these for days. Not only will you get my alerts in real time, ladies and gentlemen, you will get the entire Making Easy Money in-house analyst alerts as well. We have options alerts, day trade alerts, we have swing trade alerts, we even have short sell alerts. So if any of this interests you, like I said before, make sure you get over here. And if you have any questions that you want to ask me at any given time, all you have to do is get over here to the Obi Alert chat. Okay, this is my chat section where you will be able to ask me any given time about any given stock, and I will be able to give you a quick analysis on that. So with that being said, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is DJT. Now, with that being said, as you all know, this thing is in a short cover wave. Now, today's price action, we have fallen 10% lower than the previous close, which means, okay, no, we didn't fall 10% of the previous close. I take that back. If we do fall 10% of the previous close, ladies and gentlemen, we will fall into a SSR, which means short sale restriction. Let me get that. I want to make sure real time to show you guys, just to see if we did fall SSR, because if we did, then yes, we did fall short sale restriction here today, which means, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow's trading, short sellers will not be able to get those orders filled on the downtick. Tomorrow will be a full entire day of SSR. In fact, when we hit that $25.11, we have fallen short sale restriction, which means the entire trading day for the remainder of this trading day will be SSR, short sale restricted. Doesn't mean short sellers will not be able to place those orders, but those orders will only be able to be filled on the uptick, meaning because I short stocks as well, ladies and gentlemen. The way that you short a stock, basically, as you guys can see here, we closed here at $27.06. If I was a short seller, I will put my orders in, okay, my short orders in a cent lower, maybe 2 cents lower than the actual price, so I can get it filled quickly. In a fashion like that, short sellers can suppress a share price if the orders is coming in fast, because basically they're pitting those buy orders and, well, they're selling or shares at a lower price than the actual share price, which is getting those things filled rapidly. If you get a short sale, which we call a short ladder attack, which we see here, those are a string of short orders being placed strategically to drag down the share price. But this is what we want to see. Tomorrow will be a full entire day of short sale restriction, which means those short orders will have to be placed at a slightly higher. So today, 27.06, we have to place those short orders at 27.08. 48 here tomorrow, and they will be only filled on the uptick, meaning the share price has to be going in the upwards direction for that order to be filled. That is a very great thing. Not only that, we know for a fact that huge short orders was taken here throughout the trading day as well, which means if we do get adequate buying pressure here in today's pre-market, tomorrow's pre-market and or today's aftermarket hours, ladies and gentlemen, we may see a forced short cover situation, because we know for a fact that heavy short positions was taken here. We take a brief look and just check out the capital trend. As you guys can see here on the block orders, if you have been keeping the channel, I explained this to you guys. Major outflow here today, 135 million, which points to, that's overall trend. Block orders, 48 million. I knew that number was too high. 48 million in net outflow in favorment, ladies and gentlemen. This is very important. This lets us know massive shorting went on here on today's trading, which so happens to be today's high. Not only that, if we do actually see this thing, today's high coming in at that average cost of 30.37, but today's high of that 33.85. If we can actually see this thing open above that 33.85 here tomorrow, then a massive short cover wave can take place. If we look at the overall trend, as you guys can see here throughout the trading day, we start to see massive outflow on that extra large scale pick up here, right around 1436. So if we look, let's look at that again. 1435. If we look at 1435 here really quickly, and we get those interval stats too here, we see the share price being shorted between $30.63 to that $25.15. We also can see a short cover wave take place due to shorts taking advantage of the profit that they're currently in from today's price action. So I will be updating you guys later here today once the short sell analysis comes in for DJT around 10 p.m. Central Time. We get the daily short sell analysis here on Moomoo, which is key when you're looking for short cover situations. So again, if you do want to sign up for Moomoo, remember using my sign up link in the description below will grant everyone 15 free stocks that can value up to $2,500 each. And this is my go-to trading platform. Now, last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about DRUG, which just recently reached and breached our price target by a lot. We ran as high as $46.20 here in today's after market hours, and this thing is showing signs that it has more room to run, ladies and gentlemen. And what is going on? The likelihood of a massive short cover wave taking place from yesterday's trading. As you guys can see, yesterday's trading, 8.34 million shares was sold short. We're seeing massive covering going on here, ladies and gentlemen, and we know for a fact that massive shorting as well went on. Looking at that small scale, we know retail investors sold for a lot of profit here today. Massive outflow activity, which lets us know those sale orders were rapid, and with a high turnover ratio, let us know that a lot of people were buying and selling for a profit quickly here in DRUG. Once today's short sell analysis, like I said about DJT, once drugs short sell analysis comes in around 10 p.m. Central Time, I will be able to give you guys a better insight on the chances of a short cover wave taking place here for DRUG here tomorrow, which can really get the share price out of hand. And again, guys, this was a nice home run play, and if you haven't already, make sure you get over to Discord. You cannot afford to miss out on these banger alerts. But as far as DRUG, ladies and gentlemen, I suggest for you to lock in those gains for sure, at least 80% of your position, and let the rest ride, because I do feel as though that this thing is headed towards $50+ share levels for sure. So with that being said, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.